Welcome to the learning series of HEF AgriHUB. In this video you will learn how to create your account with proper access rights in the HEF AgriHUB. There are two ways to get access rights as a member of an organization in our catalog. One option is to register on your own and then ask your organization admin to add you as a member of the organization with the appropriate role. However, you have to note that registering alone will not automatically grant you access rights. The other option is to receive an invitation email directly from the HEF AgriHUB. In this video, we focus on the second option. The process is divided into two steps. The first step has to be done by either the system admin or your organization's admin. They will have to send you an email inviting you to activate your account. Each account will have a specific role. The second step is the task that you have to do. After receiving the invitation email, you should create or update your account. Please note that at the moment, our catalog only supports email addresses with domain names at tum.de, at mytum.de, and at wzw.tum.de. While you are creating your account, if you give an email address with another domain, you will receive an error message and you won't be able to finish the process of creating your account. After creating your account and updating your information, you can log into the catalog and you will be ready to work with the catalog as a member of one of our organizations. Let's see an example. Here I have the system admin role. As a super user, I want to add a new member to an organization. And I have access to all organizations. If I was the admin of a particular organization, I could only add members for that particular organization, but the procedure would be the same. Okay, so I go to the organization that I want, for example the Hans Eisenmann Forum. Here, as you can see, I have two options. The first is when the user already has an account, and I, as the admin, just need to add the user as a member of this organization. The second option is to directly send an invitation to a certain email address. Okay, so I choose this option and invite this person to be a member of the HEF organization. Before sending out the invitation email, I also need to specify the role of this member. There are three options: admin, editor, and member. Admin has all the rights, such as adding members, updating information about the organization, and also adding, updating, or removing any resource entry belonging to the organization. Editor has the right to add, update, and remove only those entries provided by himself or herself. A member, on the other hand, has read-only access to all the resources provided by the organization. Please note that if access to a particular data from this organization is restricted to a certain user, then other members and even editors of that organization have no access to that particular data. For more information, refer to the video registering a new resource entry. Okay, I choose the role editor and send the invitation. The user should now receive an email from HEF AgriHUB. Okay. Here's the email that the user receives. HEF AgriHUB has already created a user account, but the user might prefer to have a user account with their own name, which we strongly recommend for further activities. The user can update their profile information. It is especially recommended to update the auto-generated password. So let's see how this looks like. We click on the link in the email, and we land again on our HEF AgriHUB page, where you can change the username and password. Please choose a strong password using a mixture of capital and small letters, numbers, and special characters, such as the $sign. The password must include 8 or more characters, otherwise you will receive an error message. Okay, so now the user has a valid account with the role editor for the HEF organization. Let's log in. After logging into the catalog, you will see a dashboard showing your information such as your recent activities, the organizations that you are a member of, and so on. If you would like to update your profile or to have access to your API key, you should go to Settings. Please follow our other tutorials to learn how to work with the catalog and see what you can actually do with the HEF AgriHUB.